Hey brother, let's not sugarcoat this. If you're over 40 and trying to lose weight, you've probably already failed at one or two diets, maybe even five diets. The keto, the low carb, the OMAD, 1 meal a day, cutting out dinner, skipping breakfast, clean eating, whatever trend it was, you've definitely tried and failed in one of these. And after trying, you still feel stuck and frustrated. Maybe you are even heavier, maybe even softer than when you started. I just want to remind you that that's not your fault. Why? Most diets, they are built for people who are 20 years old. They have bulletproof knees, the testosterone is still very high, and they have no stress. That's not you anymore. You're in a different season of your life, and your strategy needs to change. And before we get deep into this, I've put together a free supplement list designed specifically for men over 40. It's science backed, it's practical, and built to help you burn fat, recover fast, and boost your testosterone naturally. The link is on the description of this video. It's free. Get it. I can guarantee you it's something every man over 40 should have in his corner. Now, let's break this down. Number one reason your diet is not working or you failed, it's because you are doing the wrong diet for the wrong age. Here's where most men mess up. They jump on a diet that worked for someone else, someone younger, someone leaner, maybe even juiced up, and expect the same results. When we talk of low carb, they say, sure, it worked at 28. Now, you cut carbs and you are moody, you are weak, and you are crashing by 2 p.m. Intermittent fasting. You skip breakfast, eat like a bear at dinner, then wonder why your energy is short and your sleep sucks. Why does it fail? After 40, your metabolism slows down. Your hormones shift. Your recovery is not as fast as it used to be. And diets ignore all of this. Your age and your real life responsibilities won't work with these diets long term. So here's the solution. Eat like a man over 40. Eat 3 solid meals a day. Don't starve yourself. Fuel your body. Make protein your top priority. At least 1 to 1.5 gram of per pound of body weight. Include carbs, especially around your workouts just to preserve muscles. Stop eating like you're punishing yourself. Eat like someone who needs to fuel his body. Mistake number two. You're starving yourself. Some people go for a very aggressive calorie cut. You slash your food intake. Maybe you lose a little bit of weight first, but then weight loss stops and you start gaining it back and gaining it very fast. Why does it happen this way? Because starving your body forces it to fight back. It lowers your metabolism, it tanks your testosterone, and it increases your cortisol, and it makes you hold onto fat, especially around the midsection. And plus, you lose muscle, which is the exact thing you need to keep your body tight, strong, and youthful looking. So here's the solution. Be on a controlled calorie deficit. Aim for 15 to 20% calorie deficit, not 50%. Use your progress photos and strength levels as guides, not just the scale, because the scale, it usually fluctuates. Refeed every 2 to 3 weeks with a maintenance calorie week to keep your metabolism sharp. And this is where the right supplements come in. After 40, your recovery slows down, your hormones shift, and your body needs support. That's why I've built that supplement list for men who are 40 and above. It's not optional, believe me. It's essential if you want to train hard, burn fat, and feel like a man again. Grab that list. It's free. The link is on the description of this video. It will give you the edge. Problem number three is that you are obsessed with cardio. And this one, it's everywhere. Many men start out by doing way too much cardio, running for hours on the treadmill, rolling till your back ache, thinking that burning 500 calories will burn the belly fat. But here's the truth. Cardio does not build muscles, and it can even eat into your muscles if you are not fueling it properly. And without muscle, your metabolism stays low, your joints get weaker, your testosterone stays in the basement. Period. So here's the solution for you. Make strength training your base. Lift weights 3 to 4 times a week. Full body, upper lower body splits. Focus on compound movements like presses, rows, squats, carries. Use moderate weight with perfect form, especially for joint health. And then when it comes to cardio, do 2 to 3 short sessions per week, 20 to 30 minutes max. Walk daily. It lowers stress, it burns fat, and it doesn't destroy your joints. If you're still watching, brother, hit that subscribe button. This channel is built for you, a man over 40 who wants real results without the gimmicks. Let's keep this conversation going. The problem number 4 you're facing is that you have no support system. Do you know what's worse than a bad diet? A diet that starts out strong and falls apart within 3 weeks. Why? Because there is no system, no support, no accountability. You're doing it all alone, reading random advice from strangers on YouTube, tweaking meal plans every 2 days, chasing fat loss like a confused dog. That's why so many men yo-yo back and forth for years. They never have a real plan and someone to help them stick to it. Here's the solution for you. Get a system, get guidance, get support. And here's the truth. I work with men just like you every single day. Guys who have tried everything and we're about to give up. And in 90 days, we rebuild them inside out. We train smart. We eat with purpose. We supplement right. We focus on energy. We focus on strength, on testosterone. We don't focus on starvation. And if you are ready for that kind of transformation, not theory, real results, hit the link below to apply to work one on one with me. It's a free call. I only take on a few men at a time because I do the work with you personally. Let's fix this once and for all. Problem number 5, no muscle, no testosterone, no drive. Here's the last one, and it's the one no one talks about. You've lost your edge. You're getting softer. Your drive is lower. Your joints hurt. Your confidence is dipping. You feel like your body's working against you. That's not just fat. That's low testosterone. That's muscle loss. And that's stress overload and poor recovery. And no diet in the world will fix that by itself. Here's your solution for you. You have to build muscles. You have to manage stress and you have to restore your edge. Train with intention. Don't just show up. Dominate those sessions. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Non negotiable. Supplements like your life depends on it. Because after 40, it kind of does. Eat more protein. Get in your walks. Keep lifting heavy with good form. It's important. And you don't need another trendy diet. You need a system that works with your biology, not against it. So now let's recap. Most diets fail because they ignore your age, your lifestyle, and your hormones. Starving doesn't work. Overtraining doesn't work. Guesswork doesn't work. So here's what works. Strength, structure, protein, recovery, and real support. You've got just two choices today. One is to skip spinning the wheels. Two is to hit the link below. Grab the free supplement list I made just for men like you. And if you are done with the frustration, apply to work with me. It's not that complicated. Let's build the lean, strong, energized version of you starting this week. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. More videos like this are coming. No fluff, just facts for men over 40. Stay sharp, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one. Copy that.